So my daily gardening tip for today is to do not disturb your soil, which is my number one tip and the whole reason why I named my website donotdisturbgardening.com. I feel like I have a lot of experience with gardening. I used to till in the past, and then I switched to no-till. I've done a lot of research on it, and just from my own experience, I feel like no-till is a lot less work for me, saves me a lot of time. It's less watering, less weeding, less maintenance, and I don't use any fertilizer in my garden, except for compost, which I apply in the fall. So if you want to follow along on this channel, I would love to share with you throughout the year exactly what I do in my own garden and give you helpful resources and answer your questions. I would love to answer all your questions and help you guys out. So if you can follow along and like this video and share it with others, and stay tuned for more videos in the future. Thanks.